Hey everyone, what's up? Why is everything spinning? Oh no. What did we do last night?
Define good. I've got like 15 tequila shots to process here. Give me a minute.
A minute? Bro, try a few hours. Okay, everyone, alcohol's coming in. Cool, what do we do with it? A toxin? But it tastes so good.
On it, on it. Ethanol to acetaldehyde, let's go.
Kidneys, you're gonna be busy too. This stuff makes you pee like crazy. Wait, why? So we're just flushing everything out? Alcohol blocks a hormone that helps us hold water.
3 hours later.
Guys, I don't feel so good.
Hold on, what's acetaldehyde again? Oh, that's the waste product I'm making.
Wait, toxic?
You're making poison?
Temporarily, just give me time.
6 hours later.
Why is the room spinning? Honestly, I'm not okay. Alcohol messed with my balance signals, and now I'm dehydrated, my fluid's low.
On it, releasing some hormones to slow the water loss.
Bit late for that, don't you think?
Better late than never.
The next day.
Guys, it's the next morning.
Oh no.
Why does my head hurt this much?
That's me, sorry. Inflammation, blood vessels expanding, plus you're still dehydrated.
Stomach, how's it going down there? Don't ask.
Acetaldehyde's still hanging around.
Irritating everything.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
That tracks.
Liver, are you done yet?
Almost, just finishing up the cleanup.
Take your time, no rush, we'll just be over here suffering.
Processed, all clear.
Finally.
So why do I still feel terrible? The body's still repairing.
The next day.
Got it. Never again.
Sure. Brain.
You said that last time. This time I mean it. Hey everyone, drinks are coming in.
Wait, what?
Here we go again.